Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Roblox player who's been hitting error code 279 in 2025, you're not alone. This pesky error often pops up due to connection issues, firewall blocks, or outdated software, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through some straightforward fixes step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be back in the game, building, exploring, and having fun in no time. Let's dive in. First things first. Error code 279 typically means your device is struggling to connect to Roblox's servers. It could be a simple internet hiccup or something more, like security software getting in the way. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. Restart your router if needed, and run a speed test to ensure you're getting at least the minimum required bandwidth for Roblox, which is around 5 megabits per second. Next, try the classic troubleshooting step. Restart Roblox and your device. Close the Roblox app completely, then shut down your computer, phone, or console, wait about 30 seconds, and power it back on. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your system. Now, let's look at firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your security software blocks Roblox, thinking it's a threat. Head to your computer's firewall settings. On Windows, go to the Windows Security app and check the Allowed Apps section. Add Roblox to the exceptions list. If you use antivirus like Norton or Avast, temporarily disable it and see if the error persists, but remember to turn it back on afterward for safety. Another key fix is updating Roblox. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues, especially in 2025 with new game updates. Open the Roblox app or visit the official website and check for any available updates. Install them and restart the app. If these steps haven't worked, try something a bit more advanced, flushing your DNS cache. This can resolve deeper network problems. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig, flushdns, then hit Enter. On Mac, use Terminal and type sudo ds-cache util flushcache. Give it a go and restart Roblox. Finally, if you're still seeing the error, reach out to Roblox support through their website or help forums. They can provide personalized advice based on your setup. There you have it. Simple solutions to get past error code 279. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the next one.